Hello dear students, I hope you are doing well with your studies. Today we discuss one more aspect of writing skill, that is linkers. Linkers are otherwise called conjunctions. So basically conjunction or linkers are linking words. They join or add two separate sentences or two different ideas. We use linkers to join them. So linkers are words that are used to join one word or sentence with another. So here, look at the table here. I have written some linkers, conjunctions and their functions here. So these linking words are having their own functions. So when you see the example of and, also, besides, moreover, similarly, then and etc. These are the words, their function is addition, adding. When you want to add something to the sentence and more to the paragraph, at the time you should use any one of these. Maybe it is and, also, besides, moreover, similarly, and then, and so on and so. Next one is time. So when the time is the function, so linking words are here: when, while, as soon as, before, after, till, etc. So these are the linking words which are having the function of time. At the time of time we use these linking words. And third one is place. So place is the function here. The linking words of the functions, place are after, where, wherever, and etc. Next, reason and cause. Reason and cause: because, as, that, since, and etc. These are the words, these are the linking words we use. Their function is for reason and cause. And purpose: in order, that, so that, lest, so etc. These are the words which are having the function of purpose. Next, result. At the time of result we use these linking words: so, such, consequently, in conclusion, as a result, thus, finally, at last. These are the words which are having the function of result. Next one is concession. Concession: though, although, even though, even if, however. These are the words which are having the function of concession. Next, manner. This manner is a function. The linking words are as if, as though, and so and so. Then comparison. For comparison, linking words are as then, and not, so as. So last one, condition. Conditions: if, unless, supposing. And other function of functions were linking words for function is contrast. For contrast, but we use. So these are the important linking words. These are important conjunction we use in a paragraph. So these linkers will be given in the bracket, that is 30, question number 30. There will be for 4 marks question asked. Fill the suitable linkers given in the bracket. Now we see more examples to understand what linkers are, where to place suitable linkers in the paragraph. First one we see. First one is my mother was an extraordinary person dash. My mother was an extraordinary person dash. I should speak above all her kindness towards me. full stop, I dash, I, full stop, dash, I will tell you, a secret of mine, dash, I feel somewhat guilty for not having been a successful not having been a happy man, dash, have given her a deserved happiness, full stop, dash, I feel I should have been more understanding. Understanding of her. So this is the paragraph from I believe that books will never disappear. So in that we have taken this paragraph. My mother was an extraordinary person, dash, I should speak above all her kindness towards me, full stop, dash, I will tell you a secret of mine, dash, I feel somewhat guilty for not having been a happy man, dash, have given her a deserved happiness, dash, I feel I should have been more understanding of her. This is a paragraph. Here they have left 4 blanks. So in the bracket they gave here answers and because in order to therefore but so these are the options they have given in the bracket. We should place suitable linkers in the given bracket. My mother was an extraordinary person. So this is a complete thought. This is a complete sentence. My mother was an extraordinary person. So he wants to say something again. So he wants to add something here that we should take here. So I should speak above all. So after the completion of sentence, can we use here because? You see, can we use here my mother was an extraordinary person because I should speak above all? No, not at all, because is the answer. Rather, can we place here in order to? In order to is a linker. Its function is at the time of result we should use in order to, but here also it is not suitable. Therefore is also not right. No linking word to add there, but also you cannot use, and only remaining last option, that is and. My mother was an extraordinary person and. So here we should use and because he wants to add something to his, he is adding some more. He wants to convey more than that sentence. I should speak above all her kindness towards me. Next, I will tell you secret of mine. What happened here? He said, my mother was an extraordinary person and I should speak above all her kindness towards me. but. So next one you see immediately answer comes, that is but. After a full stop, but I will tell you a secret of mine. I will tell you a secret of mine. Secret of mine here. Then after but we should use here because. Because I feel somewhat, the reason for, the reason he want to tell us a secret, because he felt, I feel somewhat guilty for not having been a happy man. So happy man in what way? What is the result? In order to have given her a deserved happiness. Next, deserved happiness. Therefore I feel. Next. Therefore I feel I should have been more understanding of her. So these are 5 linking words are having their own functions here. So first answer is ein, second answer is but, third answer is because, fourth answer is in order to, last is therefore. When you see this and they are having their own functions. Now we see what these linking words are having their own functions. You see now. Linking words we used here are functions. Functions. Linkers are here. Linkers are and, but, because, in order to, last one is therefore. We have used these linkers there. What these linkers function actually do here? So and means it is an addition. It is an addition. Function of these functions of these linkers are and means addition, adding something, but means contrast. So when he wants to say the thing which opposite of that, so contrast. So third one is because is the reason why he was feeling guilty. Why he is feeling guilty? That reason. In order to is the result. In order to understanding more, that is in order to, and therefore is the last, that is summarize. So here all these linkers are having their own function. And is having addition function here. Its function is adding something, but is contrast. When we discuss two opposite ideas, at that time we use but, and because we use for reason. Next, in order to, at the time of result, conclusion, we use result. Next, therefore, when we summarize what at the end of the paragraph, when we summarize what we want to say, at that time we use therefore. These are the functions of the linkers we have understood in one example. We discuss more examples now. We discuss some more examples now here. Second one, you see, dash, the old man came to, dash, old man came to the garden one day, dash, the old man came to the garden one day, dash, walking hundreds of miles, full stop. The owner of the garden was free and relaxed, was free and relaxed, full stop, again dash, the owner's wife, the owner's wife was worried, the owner's wife was worried, dash her husband, became lethargic and sheed away from hard work. So look at this paragraph. So dash, the old man came to the garden one day, dash, walking hundreds of miles. The owner of the garden was free and relaxed. The owner of the garden was free and relaxed. Dash, the owner's wife was worried. Dash, her husband became lethargic and sheed away from hard work. So here options are given in the brackets, that but when, because, after. See, these are the four linkers they have given in the bracket: but, when, because, after. So when we see this sentence, the sentence has begun here, dash, the old man came to the garden. Something happened there. Dash, the old man came to the garden one day. Something has happened here. It is not complete sentence yet. The sentence has to be completed. You should use here when. When the old man came to the garden one day, what happened here? So, 1, 2, 3, 4 linkers are there. First we have used here one, that is, in the first, back we used when, next one day. After walking hundreds of miles, the owner of the garden was free and relaxed. But see, look at this. The owner was free and relaxed, but the owner's wife was worried. So here two different opposite feelings are there here, you see. The owner of the garden was relaxed and free, whereas his wife was worried. At that time, what we should take here? But conjunction, because its function itself is contrast. So here we should take but. The owner of the garden was free and relaxed, but the owner's wife was worried. The reason for her worry was, because is used, because we use for the reason for her worry for her husband became lethargic and sheed away from hard work. The reason for the worry of the owner's wife is, her husband became lethargic and sheed away from the hard work. So first you see, when the old man came to the garden, something has happened. So this is called, it is not complete sentence. The sentence has to be completed. It's not complete yet. When the old man came to the garden, something has happened. When the old man came to the garden after walking hundreds of miles, the owner of the garden was free and relaxed. Then you see, we used but. But the owner's wife was worried because her husband became lethargic and sheed away from hard work. So here two contrast idea joined by here, or feelings joined by but, and here wife was worried. The reason for her worry is we joined by using because her husband became lethargic and sheed away from hard work. This is another example we have discussed. There are four linkers here: when, and because, after, but. As we had discussed it in the beginning, so when is used for the time, and and we use it to, sorry, but is used at the, but's function is contrast, and because function is reason, and last one and one more is after. This is also time. This is used for time, and when is also time, and but is contrast, because is the reason. So we have discussed two more examples. We will discuss one more example now to understand clearly where to use linkers. Next sentence is dash Tammanna, dash Tammanna. These examples are from the text, original text here. Dash Tammanna bought, buys V3 or V2 is bought, four more adjacent, four more acres of adjacent, four more acres of adjacent to his land, full stop. Basvaya is the rivalry of Tammanna. Basvaya dash followed the suit, if one had 10 friends, dash the other had 15, other acquired 15 admirers, full stop. All this looked like a healthy competition. All this looked like a healthy competition. Dash this competition turned to rivalry. This competition turned to rivalry. So if you remember, both Basvaya and Tammanna earlier, before both of them are having healthy competition, but when time passed, both of them have become rivalry enemies. So here answers in the brackets are however, after, however, at first, also, and then. So these are the four examples here. First one is however, at first, also, then. When you see this sentence, dash Tammanna bought 4 more acres of adjacent to his land, Basvaya dash followed the suit. If one had 10 friends, dash the other had 15 admirers. All this looked like a healthy competition, dash this competition turned to rivalry. Four linkers are here. However, at first, also, then. When you see this sentence, when we see the paragraph begins with the linkers, that is at first, Tammanna bought 4 acres of adjacent to his land, Baswaya next also, as I said that Baswaya also followed the suit. So also is a linker, its function is adding. Where Tamanna has done something, Baswaya also wants to do the same thing. So adding something. Baswaya also followed the suit. Next, if one had 10 friends, then it's also addition. If one had 10 friends, then the other acquired or had 15 admirers. All this looked like healthy competition, and there was a healthy competition earlier, and later all this looked like healthy competition. Then what happened? Last one is however. So is the conclusion or summarize. However, this competition turned to rivalry. So first option is at first, second one is also, third one is then, fourth one is however. These are the linkers. We place it in a suitable suitable place. So two examples are over. We discuss one more example to understand more about linkers now. So third example is dash roof. You remember Rufus Okike? It is from The Otter, written by Chinua Achebe. Dash roof would have put it. Then he had received a strange visit from the leader of POP. It is People's Organization Party. Its opposite party was PAP, People's Alliance Party. Roof roof would have put it. Then he had received a strange visit from the leader. The leader of POP campaign. Campaign team dash he and roof were well known to each other. Dash might even be called friends. His visit was cold and business like. Full stop. No words were wasted. He placed 5 pounds on the floor dash roof. When you see this paragraph, roof would have put it. Then he had received a strange visit from the leader of POP campaign team. dash he and Roof were well known to each other, dash might even be called friends. His visit was cold and businesslike. No words were wasted. He placed 5 pounds on the 5 pounds on the floor dash Roof. So here linkers are before and although as. See, look at before and although as. What you do? What which linkers would like to add here? Dash Roof would have put it. Then he received a strange visit from the leader of POP campaign team up to here. So now here first one is what? Although and before and as, which we are going to add here. So first linkers is as. As Roof would have to put it, then he had received a strange visit from the leader of POP campaign team. Campaign team. Although, next, although he and Roof were well known to each other, and might even be called friends. Now, his visit was cold and businesslike. No words were wasted. He placed 5 pounds on. He placed 5 pounds on the floor. What remained one is before Roof. So before is a linking word, which its function is the place before, where behind or before or beside. He placed 5 bundles before Roof. So the function of the before is time, place, and is again adding. Not only they are well known to each other, at the same time and might even be called friends they are. So as Roof would have put it then, and he had received a strange visit from the leader of POP campaign team, although he and Roof were well known to each other. So here as and although and last one is before. These are the linking words, these are the linkers we added to suitable places here. So one more last example we discuss and we wind up the class. Last one is Rufus Okeke. Rufus Okeke is otherwise shortly called Roof. Rufus Okeke came back. Rufus Okeke came back to his village. Dash the completion of his bicycle repairers apprentice from Port Harcourt. So where earlier Rufus Okeke was working as a bicycle repair for 2 years, and Rufus Okeke came back to his village dash the completion of his bicycle repairers apprentice from Port Harcourt. Complete sentence. Dash he wanted to help and guide the people people in coming election, in coming election, in coming election, then he supported, PAP, People's Alliance Party, PAP with all his heart, and soul, dash had to change his mind in the end vote for both the parties. So linkers are here, but after and because. So here four linkers are there. One is but, after, and because. When you see Rufus Okike came back to his village immediately, when he came back, after completion. Immediately the linker we should use here, after. Directly answer comes when you think about the sentence. Rufus Okike came back to his village after the completion of his bicycle repairer's apprentice from Port Harcourt. Then what happened? After that, when he came, what is the intention of coming back? And he wanted to help. What is the reason for his coming? He wanted to help and guide the people in coming election. Then he supported PAP with all his heart and soul. Heart and soul he had. So soul, because he had to change his mind in the end. But the last one remained is but he voted for both the parties. Rufus Okike came back to his village after the completion of his bicycle repairer's apprentice from Port Harcourt, and he wanted PAP with all his heart and soul. Port Harcourt. The reason for his arrival, you see here. The reason for his arrival. So had dash had. So here completion of from Port Harcourt. The reason for his arrival to the village, that is next, because he wanted to. What is the reason for coming back to his village from Port Harcourt? Because he wanted to help and guide the people in coming election. Then he supported PAP with all his heart and soul, and he had to change his mind in the end, but he voted for both the parties. Now he thought one thing, but at the end it has happened another, that it is unexpectedly he had to vote for both the parties, even though he worked wholeheartedly for the party of PAP, but at the end the condition made him to vote for both the parties, that is but contrast. So here we used four linkers. One is after, second one is because, third one is and, last one is but. So these are the examples for linkers or conjunctions, we say them. In next class we will discuss one more aspect of English grammar, that is dialogue writing. Then thank you.